All right. The next one is unboxing. Many people also, this is like the second most well-known type after, let's say, the social media post. So what this basically is that you get some kind of care package, a box, or just a product, or you deliver it to the influencers and they create a video about it, that they open it and just, why is it so strong? First of all, this is not a normal one. I don't think this is really a product was dedicated or designed for the influencer, because I don't think this was for sale for all the customers. So this is like, oh, I really want this. This is so cool. That's one, of course. And second one is just to give the experience. Like if I buy a new iPhone, for example, and I can just open the package and really get that feel of how good it is to really open a product. You already get it here, and you really are triggered to experience it yourself as a viewer at that time, to also buy your own, let's say, iPhone, or in this case, the game, and maybe open your physical copy and so on, and have the same experience like your favorite influencer is just showing in this video.
Hey, what's up, everyone? So my friends at NetherRealm Studios and Warner Brothers shot me over this ridiculous Mortal Kombat 11 like crate. You can tell I go right over here. Looks like it got like dinged up a little bit during shipping.
I'm not going to show the whole concept, but typically what an unboxing video is all about, they unbox it and they also set it up, maybe give a bit of explanation about it, show the end result. Typically it's also a bit of an explainer video, which I'll cover in a second. What you also saw here is that he disclosed, just a small tip on the side, influencers can on YouTube disclose that it included a paid promotion. I'm not sure whether the text was in Dutch or in English, but you can add a tag disclosing that this was a paid promotion. He also did it here. Always essential or really important to make sure that the influencer discloses that he is getting paid in one way or another for unboxing this product.
So my friend.
Another one, which is really, like I said already, quite closely aligned with the unboxing video, is an explainer or a review video.